Hello, ninth graders, and welcome to your Module 2 spelling class for this third trimester 2020. I'm super proud of you. Your last spelling assignment was wonderful. I can see that a lot of you have been really paying attention and you've been really improving on your pronunciation skills. Remember, I've always said, if it doesn't sound like English, it's not English. So even though you might have an accent, and that's okay, we all do. I have a strange one too. You need to be able to speak in such a way that regardless of the accent, other people can understand what you're saying. And I can tell that a lot of you are really getting there, and I'm truly proud of you for that. Now, before we go into the words, please remember two important details. When you're sending me your audio, stick to the guidelines. The guidelines state clearly that all you have to say is, "Hello, teacher. My name is Johnny Jones," and immediately start reading the words. Please do not give me any additional introduction or information. Just tell me your name and go right into the words. Okay? And the second important thing I need to tell you is that, as I've said before in many other videos, if you ever have any questions or any doubts, or even if you have trouble uploading your work to the platform, please send me an email or send me your work by email if you couldn't get it on the platform on time. And the email address is itmustbeenglish@gmail.com. Itmustbeenglish@gmail.com. Don't stay at home fuming and making up conspiracy theories. You have access to me. I have said it in other videos. Some of you have already sent me stuff or even asked questions at the email. Itmustbeenglish@gmail.com. So let's go right into this. Today we're going to be dealing with an interesting and very important topic, which is that little problem that a lot of people have anytime they have to pronounce a word that begins with the letter S and is followed by a consonant sound. And that's normal. It can be challenging for native Spanish speakers to pronounce words that start with the letter S and are followed by a consonant sound. It takes practice and discipline, but it can be done, okay? So let's start by practicing, and I hope you can repeat after me. We're going to practice some sound combinations, the S sound and the vowels, the consonant, and the consonant sound. So if you can, repeat after me. Sn, 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 sp, sp, sl, sl, st, st. So if you focus on the S, you don't have to say spelling, sport, smile, school, because that's not correct. And as I've said before, if it doesn't sound like English, it's probably not English. Don't worry about an accent. All of us have an accent. I have an accent. A lot of times when people speak to me, they're like, "Where are you from? Where's that accent from?" It's from my head. So the accent is not the problem. The thing is pronouncing words correctly, okay? So I'm gonna read, you have a list of 24 words, which means that this exercise is worth 24 points. I'm gonna read the 24 words slowly, and we're gonna focus on the S, because once you start with S, then you don't run the risk of saying a spelling or saying a smile. Okay, what we're trying to do is to get rid of that "e" that you put before it. Not all of you, some of you. Okay, so here are the words. If it's possible, repeat after me. Number 1, small. Number 2, smelly. Number 3, smothering. Number 4, snatch. Number 5, snail. Number 6, snobbish. Number 7, specific. Number 8, speculation. Number 9, sporty. Number 10, slow. Number 11, slamming. Number 12, slaughter. Number 13, slavery. Number 14, step. Number 15, stamp. Number 16, stale. Number 17, straight. Number 18, stratification. Number 19, studious. Number 20, skateboard. Number 21, skillful. Number 22, skinny. Number 23, skeptical. And number 24, skewer. Skewer. Let's go over that list again. Remember, focus on the S. Pay attention to the S. Come in with your S, and then you add the consonant sound to it. That way you don't run the risk of saying small, smelly, smothering, okay? Which is cute. It's cute, but it's not correct. And why do that if you can definitely do better? So practice before you start recording your audio, okay? Practice this. Don't just look at the words and like, small, smelling, smothering. No, don't do that. Listen to the video and practice each word. Because remember, you're gonna lose points for each word that you don't pronounce correctly. So please pronounce correctly. So let's go again. Number 1, small, smelly, smothering, snatch, snail, snobbish, specific, speculation, sporty, slow, slamming, slaughter, slavery, step, stamp, stale, straight, stratification, studious, skateboard, skillful, skinny, skeptical, skewer. So let's focus on a few of these words that might be a bit more challenging, like number 3, smothering. Notice the TH sound. That's very important. The smothering, smothering. And let's try number 8, speculation, speculation. Number 12, slaughter, slaughter, slaughter. Number 18, stratification, stratification, stratification. And number 24, skewer, skewer. So once again, just hello teacher, give me your name, start reading slowly. Be sure you practice before you start recording your audio. And if you have any trouble with the platform, if you have any question, do not invent conspiracy theories. Send me an email. I've said this before. It must be english@gmail.com. It must be english@gmail.com. I'm super proud of all of you, and I'm sure that you're going to get this correctly. Just practice, focus on the S sound, and send me your audio. Bye-bye. See you next time.